Recapping your logic board today, Andrew. We're using tantalum bead capacitors. And all the years I've been using these, I've never had any failures with them. I've had two of them explode when I first power up the board. I don't know why they exploded, perhaps I installed them backwards. But in all the years I'm using them, I've only had two go pop, and all I did is just replace them with a new one and machine more perfect. So we have our legs cut to position. We have our new solder on the pads. And now installing the cap. Job done, Anthony. Slow process. But we've gone and recapped the whole board for you, and it's been successful. Little bead, tantalum bead capacitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yeah, that's it. There's your 150 UF. And yeah, no problems. So we're going to put it together now and plug it in and see will it blow up. Woo! Oh, we got to get the RAM back in, so fuck yeah, hairdryer. We got to get the hairdryer out again. Bald man with a hairdryer, okay. Seems look clean, but we'll just give them a quick rubber. This is the correct way to clean these. Pencil eraser, rubber. Just gets any oil or dirt off them. Okay, heat these and clip the memories back in. God, I don't like this. One, two, three, 4. Now if anyone is interested, these are the RAMs that are in it, and he's got 8 of those, 16 meg. Pretty good. Yep, all in. Whew, it's a relief. All your memories are in, all your RAM sims are in place. And I banged off that cap. but I'll leave it alone. I'm not going to go in here. Yeah, that's good enough. They're all in, seated fully. Yeah, back, 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 back. Yep, all in place. This is going that way, isn't it? Yeah. So that's your board ready for testing, Andrew. All back together. All your 8 sims are back in, ROM is back in, fully recapped. All new little tantalum bead capacitors. Couple of things to note on the board. There's a little crystal down here. See him? And he's crooked. He's out of position. Don't try straighten him. That's the way he was made, because those little crystals, there's 2 of them in here. There's another one there. They're put in by hand, and whoever soldered it in the Apple factory, he soldered that guy in crooked. Makes no difference, it's just a bit crooked, but part of the machine. But there's your fully recapped logic board, all set to go. So next, we're going to try plug it in. Oh, I forgot to show the ROM, didn't I? I wanted to show the ROM off as well, for anyone interested. Yeah, can we get a name off it? Let's see. I'm sure anyone in Intermax will know what that is. It's a modified ROM from Mac SE 30. And it does the job. So that's it, as far as I can see. We're ready to put the machine back together and test. And hope it doesn't explode. So next thing is switch it on. Okay, moment of glory, moment of truth. We have the board in. All the RAMs are in, the ROM is in. No accelerator, no floppy drive, no hard drive of any kind. Just the logic board on its own. And let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Plug in the other end of the lead, I suppose. Fuck's sake. Right. We go again. 3, 2. Got a nice loud chime. Got a display. And nothing else because I don't have the mouse, idiot. I'm going to need the keyboard as well, so turn it off. 3, 2. Da-da-dun. That's not the normal chime from an SE30, that's that modified ROM, I suppose. Oh, R, gotta press R. Probably too late this time. Whew. I tell you, Andrew, taking out those ROMs and putting them back in is, oh Jesus. If you ever have to take out those ROMs, get a hairdryer and heat those little plastic tabs. If you don't, they'll just snap off. It's happened to me. It's infuriating when that happens. And it's because the plastic is 30, 40 years old. It's just brittle, you know. So there we go. First thing we want to check the volume. So we're going to control volume, control panel. This only has beep in it though, so it's not much good. Sound. It's full volume. Yeah, that's not much of a test. I have to connect the blue SCSI to get into a proper operating system. That's the accelerator, it's not installed. Cache on. Yeah. Sound monitors memory. But so far so good, Andrew. And there's a little souvenir for you. There's all the caps I took off it. And all the bases and all the pins of the caps. If you're getting that back, there's a little souvenir. But there you go. Logic board is now fully protected from long-term issues such as leaking acid batteries and leaking electrolyte capacitors. The board is in excellent condition, fully kitted out, I might say, with all that RAM and the cool ROM you have in it. And with the accelerator, you know, you don't get much better than that. Like, I mean, I can't test that, so I gotta plug in the SCSI again. Okay, so shut down. Right, Andrew, everything's put together. We have the accelerator in there, and it won't press R. I don't know what I'm booting off here. R or A to boot it anyway. And it won't boot from the blue SCSI. I don't know what way you have it configured. I don't know what operating system you have in there. You'll have to tell me. Now it's looking at this SCSI thing. Yeah. But because it's not loading a full operating system, I can't. I'm not getting the full set of control panels where I can play different sounds and test volumes and stuff. But how big is that SCSI anyway? Because it takes ages to come up. Like, it's the same when you plug in an external SCSI drive, especially if you have a big bloody drive in it, like a gigabyte drive like my one. It takes ages to come up. So there. This is your hard drive. File get info. 1.3 gigabytes. Yeah, that's why. So let's play this, and you'll hear the volume. So you see the volume is full. Ah, come on, mouse. Fucking dirty mouse. Fucking cable. Oh. Yeah. Good volume. Yeah. Crystal Quest Master. Oh, if I had a laser mouse on this point, I'd be unstoppable. Crystal. Yeah. So anyhow. So okay, option Q, quit.